Hello everyone. As we are facing a pandemic, or in this pandemic, we are not being able to continue our study from our classroom, but it is mandatory to continue it. We will have to continue our class, we will have to continue our study, we will have to continue our self-study at our home with the help of ourselves. Okay, but this pandemic has affected us this much कि we are having some mentally stress, है ना, or many things are there. But as Raj Kapoor साहब told, Raj Kapoor साहब, the famous legend actor of Indian cinema, the showman of India, he told us, or he said us simple word, that show must go on. So our study must go on. Or in this thing, we are the team of Star Classes Kotputli are here to serve you with our recorded lectures of board classes 10th and 12th, and me, Bharat Sharma, welcome you in these classes. Today we are going to discuss about the first chapter of class 10th maths Ncert, that is about real numbers. Or in today's lecture, or in this video, we are going to discuss about how to find out the HCF of two positive numbers. Okay, or in this we are going to use this thing, Euclid's division lemma or theorem. When we will read our book, so you will see that it has given you a this much long theory, but this is not that much tough, है ना, इतना नहीं है उसमें. Let us start. Let's see how easy is this. So before starting this thing, I am going to recall your second and third class. In that third or second class, a teacher, maybe it's female or male, a teacher or ma'am came to your class and she or he told you about how to divide. That like we are having this 5 divided by 2. Okay, and how do we do it? We are doing it like 5, 2 to the 4 and 1 is there, done. How simple this divide is? Very simple. And as simple this divide is, the Euclid's division lemma, or using Euclid's division lemma to find out HCF of any two positive numbers, that is that much simple. Okay, but before starting this, we should recall 2 or 3 terms which we are familiar about. That this 5 here is your dividend. Okay, your this 2 is your divisor, this is your quotient, and this one which is left, the left thing is called remainder. Okay, and here you can see that this remainder might be equal to the 0, or greater than the 0, but never greater than this divisor. Okay, so you can write it like that. This is your remainder, greater than 0 or greater than equal 0, but less than. Okay, this is the thing. Or in 5th class you got to know about this thing, that dividend is always equal to the divisor the product of divisor and the quotient plus this remainder. Okay, this is the thing which is going to help us to find out today's our topic. Okay, again let me explain. This 5, this 5. Okay, the number which is being divided, 5 is known as dividend. The number 2 is divisor. Here, after doing the complete division, we are getting 2 here, and this is your quotient. And the number which is left, which is greater than equal, okay, 0, या तो वो 0 होगा या 0 से बड़ा होगा, but always less than the divisor. The divisor is here. Okay, so again if we assume the things, we have assumed the things. ठीक है, हमने ये चीज़ें आराम से समझ ली. And now I think we should start our thing, how to do or the division of any two, or how to find out the HCF of any two positive numbers. Sorry, that was my fumble. In this, now we are starting how to find out the HCF of any two positive number. Let us continue. Let me write any two number. Like I have taken these two numbers. This is 124. I am saying that find the HCF of 124 and 24. These two numbers are there. Now avoid it. Just for few seconds, few minutes, avoid it. Ki, using Euclid's division lemma or theorem, avoid it. I am going to say you that in 6th class or 5th class you have discussed about how to find out the HCF of any two numbers with the help of division method. Two methods were there, factorization method was there, and division method was there. Okay, so what I am saying to you, do just use the division method, how to do it. Okay, just recall the things. What we will do, two numbers we are having, we will divide the greater number by the smaller number. How? 124 will be divided by 24. It is 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48. Like we will arrive up to 5 and we are getting 120 here. 24 5s are 120. And what is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. But as we all are good students, we are knowing that here our HCF is not done. Then we will continue it with this divisor. Okay, we will continue it with this divisor and we will divide this 4 by this. Okay, so 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3s are 12, 4s are 16, and you will get 6 आया याद में, that if we are getting remainder 0, then the number which is giving us the remainder 0, that is our HCF. Okay, HCF is 4. Simple. The same thing which we have done here, we are going to write it like that. How? That dividend is equals divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, or keep remind. When you will get your remainder 0, that would be your last step, and that number, this divisor, will be your HCF. Okay, so let us write it. We will write this calculation like this. How? We are doing 124 was our first dividend. We wrote it like 24, this 24 multiplied by 5 plus this remainder 4. You can see that our remainder is not equals to 0. It means we should move on. थोड़ा सा और आगे चलना पड़ेगा. Next step we have done that this 24 will be here and it can be written as 4 multiplied by 6. 4 multiplied by 6 plus what is remainder? 0. And here we have got our remainder 0. So we can say if we have find out our remainder 0, then our process to find out the HCF is done. So we can see here R is equals to 0. So the HCF of 124 and 24 is 4. It's done. This is your Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division theorem. We have used it to find out the HCF of any two positive numbers. So this was the introduction of your exercise 1.1, or I think you all have understood. If you have any query, you can drop a comment in your comment box. Thank you. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.